students, in this video we will discuss remaining part of the exercise first A, the question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. And in the question number 5, 6 and 7, we have to find more rational numbers. So what the method we will use here? X and y be two rational numbers and x is less than y. We have to find n rational numbers between x and y. Let d is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Now n rational numbers lying between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d and so on, and last will be x plus nd. So this method we will use to the questions 5, 6 and 7. The question number 5, find 5 rational numbers lying between 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. First we have to select which rational number is greater. So cross multiply both these denominator and find out which will be greater rational numbers. 4 2s are 8 and 5 3s are 15. So this rational number will be bigger, which is 3 upon 4. 2 upon 5 is less than 3 upon 4. We will use 2 upon 5 as x and y will be 3 upon 4. Now put these values in the formula where we have to find 5 rational numbers, so n will be 5. D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. Put the values of y and x and n is equal to 5. Solve this and you will get the value of D, which is 7 upon 120. Now therefore 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4 are, we will take x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d. Because we have to find only 5 rational numbers, we will use this method. Now put the value of x, which is 2 upon 5 and d 7 upon 120. So this becomes x plus d. This is the first rational number. X plus 2d. This becomes second rational number. X plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d. So you will get 5 rational numbers. Solve it. The 5 rational numbers are 55 upon 120, 62 upon 120, 69 upon 120, 76 upon 120, 83 upon 120. Now come to the question number 6. Insert 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We will apply the same method as we done in question number 5. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 because we are taking x is less than y. So x will be 3. Now find the value of d by substituting the value of x and y. In the formula d is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. We will get the value of d 4 minus 3 upon 6 plus 1, n is equal to 6 because we have to find 6 rational numbers. So you will get 1 upon 7. This is the value of d. Now 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d and last is x plus 6d. We have to put the value of x and d. X plus d means 3 plus 1 upon 7. X plus 2d means 3 plus 2 upon 7. X plus 3d means 3 plus 3 upon 7 and we will continue for 6 values of 6 rational numbers to get 6 rational numbers. So all the 6 rational numbers are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. So these are the 6 rational numbers. This is the complete solution of 6 rational numbers. Now next question. insert 16 rational numbers between 2.1 and 2.2. So solution will be x is equal to 2.1, y is equal to 2.2 because x is less than y. Now n will be 16. Find out the value of d. D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. So put the value of d. Y means 2.2 minus 2.1 x and 16 plus 1. This becomes 0.1 upon 17. Now divide it. I am showing division, how to find the value of this. Dividing by 17 to 0.1. First you divide, first you put the 0 and then point, then 17 will not divide to 1, so put the 0 here, or not divided it. Now put a 0. Now 17 divided to 1 0, it is lesser the value from 17, so again we put the 0, we put again 0. Now 17 5s are 85, so it becomes 85. Now no need to further divide, and 17 6 are 102, so 102 will be more than 100, so it will divide up to it will divide by 5. This becomes 0.005. After decimal we have to take 3 places, no need to further divide. For your convenience, you can take the value of n 19, so it becomes 19 plus 1 will be 20. I am showing here. Y minus x means 2.2 minus 2.1 upon 19 plus 1. This becomes 0.1 upon 20. So you can divide 0.1 by 20, you will get 0.005. So both are the same thing. For your convenience, you can take n is equal to 19. Now we have to find the value of d, and hence the required number numbers between 2.1 and 2.2. The required numbers, rational numbers, are numbers. I am writing in short form. Are numbers between 2.1 and 2.2 will be are x plus d, comma x plus 2d, comma x plus 3d, and write down up to last one will be x plus 16d. Now put the values of d and you will get the rational numbers. This becomes x plus d will be 2.1 plus 0.005. Second one 2.1 plus 2 into 0.005. Third one will be 2.1 plus 3 into 0.005 dash dash, and last one will be 2.1 plus 16 into 0.005. Now solve it by yourself and you will get the values I am finding out. Till then you can solve, and I have calculated all the 16 values. First is 2.105, second is 2.110, third 2.115, fourth 2.120, and these are continue up to 16 rational values. I think you also calculated these 16 values. Now students, this is a complete solution of the question number 7. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.